Guys, you can't believe this. Let me tell you. Well, this is the newest. I don't know if it is the newest or I was just surprised to find this job exists. There are no many players in the market right now about this job that you're going to discuss. The earlier you start, the better. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ckenna and this is Ckenna's channel. In here we discuss about business ideas, online business ideas that you can start. So I was so surprised to find this job exists. There's no many players in the market right now. You can start, and the earlier you start, the better. This is a job that requires no degree, no papers, no skills, but trust. This job is the modern day messenger, but Generation Z and Millennials prefer calling it a personal shopper. But today we are going to term it as running errand. So what's an errand according to English dictionary? An errand is a short journey to perform some task on behalf of another. Kindly go and check it out. The term of what an errand is. Then you might ask, what services can I do? Okay, there is personal shopping, there is dry cleaning, there is hotel reservation, there is office delivery, there is banking, booking hotels, buses, trains, or flights. Did I say corporate errands or business errands? And also stock taking. There's a good example that I saw one of the influencers in Kenya uh, say that he did before he became famous, and his name is Jimo Williams. Check it out, his interview with Jalaz, where he mentioned that he stood in a line and got paid to do certain services. Then there's another dude in US. He found it interesting to stand in line and get paid when people queued at iPhone stores to get in iPhones. So he'll stand in line for you to get a new iPhone or to get a special item on offer when the queue is long, and he will get paid. Imagine that. Also ask yourself, who will be your target audience? You might be surprised. People who are busy, or say extremely busy, don't have time to do such kind of errands. And there are people who are lazy. They can't do it for themselves. They want somebody else to do for themselves, or they just don't find time to do it. And then the people who are impatient, like standing in line. You see a queue has 100 people to get a new iPhone. We won't stand there. So you just pay somebody to stand on behalf so that you can get that new item that you want. Then there are people who do not have time to do minor things. They feel it's not that important for now. And then there are the last minute people. We know you. If you are a Kenya, we know you. You rush on the D-Day to pay your taxes. KRA is watching. You might also ask where to find your target audience. Approach people who work in busy offices. A good example, banks. I find people who work in banks are extremely busy. They work from Monday to Saturday half day, but in real sense, or in the real world, they work around until 5 on Saturdays, or they work and during weekdays they work past 4 or past 5 to around 7 or 8, and then they come home late. So this is an opportunity to do errands for them before they close shop. Then the next question you're going to ask, what about the cost of capital? Imagine zero nunge. In Kiswahili say nunge. There's no cost of starting this business. Your business will expand through word of mouth. If you do good services to client A tells B, C, and D. So you have a clientele of around 5 to 6 people, and 6 people tell, just word of mouth. That's how word of mouth spreads. It's like saying, it won't apply here. Anyway, let me just say, bad news travel faster than good news. So I think how rumors spread. Anyway, it's not part of this video. Then there is how your customer is going to find you. You're going to set up a social media business account, of which is free. The only cost that you're going to incur is a third party cost, which is maybe running ads. You also need to employ or get the services of a designer to design posters for you. You for now you won't need a logo or a website, that it is not necessary. You also incur costs of business cards when you're spreading word that you will run errands, different errands for your people or for your client. Okay, the next question that you're going to ask is, how about communication between you and your client? You can Your client or potential clients can contact you either through calls, texts, or WhatsApp. Then what happens is, a potential client tells you what he or she needs. Then you send a list or your charges upon agreement of both parties. Then there'll be a lot of communication that will go on between you and your client during the shopping day or during the when you're doing the errands. Then the next question is, how about delivery? Delivery, you'll need your client to tell you precise details of where the item can be dropped or where you're going to shop. So you can use a pin if a particular product is going to be delivered at your place. You need to say precise details of, let's say, the court or the estate, the gate number. You can also show the description of the gate if it has no gate number, or and the door number of the apartment. How about the fees? You're going to ask, what fees can I charge? So there are two fees that I know of per now. There is the facilitation fee. This fee is charged for making those errands from point A, B, C, D, that is transportation. Then there is inconvenience fee. This is the price paid for running errands. It's like your salary, in quotes, salary. And also for lateness. Let's say you told your client, your package will be dropped at this place. Please be there by 2 p.m. and the client doesn't show up. So you shows up, let's say, around 3, 4, 5, and you also want to go and deliver some other packages some other packages. So you're going to charge him inconvenience fee. What else did I leave? Are there any challenges that you're going to incur as an errand person? Yes, when the client is not available to pick the products. And also there may be communication breakdown. He may tell you to buy something blue and bring something red. It's communication breakdown. So I I went through Facebook and Instagram to find some people who do that kind of work. Let's start with Facebook. There's this chick here. Let me run your errands. That's the headline. Then she has listed down the services that she does plus her contact down there. Then there is one I found at Nyeri Yetu. There's these posters down here that are not full, written there, busy mom. Then she has listed down the services that she's offering and her contact number plus the days that she does the errands delivery from Monday to Saturday. Still in Facebook. Then there's one I found. This is a page, Errands Guy Limited. He has listed down the address and the contact number. Then there is Let Haleki Run Your Errands, and they have listed down their services plus transportation or is it delivery charges. Services within CBD 100 bob, outside CBD changes vary with location, then plus their contact number. Then there is another one. in still Facebook, Bosses World Empire Service Charter. Then they have listed their services, and the contact number is under the description box. Then I went into Instagram. This is the famous, it's the errands girl. Under the highlights, you can see FAQs, reviews, feedback, delivery. I don't know what the other word is. Then the errands, we run them for you. Are you too busy? Missing out on sales and crazy discounts? Then she has listed down her number. Then there's Nemo errands. She has listed down the number. Let her run your errands. Then there's parcel delivery and other services over there. Then there is Shiro errands, parcels and gifts, documents, mails, collection and delivery, food and cake delivery, banking and bill payment. I think that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in this video. The earlier you start this business, the better. See you in the next one, and please subscribe. Bye.